make eggs in a different way.
Welcome to my channel, Rena's Kitchenary. Let's start.
We're going to start by cooking 5 eggs for, I'd say, 12 minutes. Now, after this time, you want to remove the water, and then you're going to cut the eggs in half. And now just repeat the process with all of them. And make sure to not leave the eggs in the water for too long. Just see that the eggs haven't darkened. That's the perfect tip. You don't want them to turn dark at all. Keep them light in color. Then put them in a bowl and set aside. Now for the next step, in a buttered pan, we're going to place the eggs with the cut side facing the bottom of the pan. And just pour until your pan is full. The result is so incredible and will definitely surprise you. And this is a very different kind of egg recipe, but the result is so beautiful and so tasty. So just place the last piece in the middle, like so, and then next we are going to season the eggs with some salt. I should say seasoning is optional, but I highly recommend. Then add some paprika, and make sure to spread your eggs out really well. Then add some black pepper, and add a little saffron. And just spread with your hands to make it a little bit easier. Then finish with some oregano. And I should have mentioned, I haven't even turned my heat on yet. So you want to just make sure to finish this process first and then turn on the heat. You don't want it to be burning while you're doing this process. So start this without heat, then turn the heat on. Now we're going to add some cheese on top. I prefer to use grated cheese, but totally up to you or what you have on hand. The result is going to be so amazing. So then we're just going to put the lid on and let the cheese melt. I'd say turn the heat to a low temperature so it doesn't burn. And just wait a few minutes for it to cook. So after we've waited those few minutes, our eggs are now ready. They should look like this. The result is so sensational. Now finish with a little bit of parsley. I'm getting so hungry. The flavor, the smell, so amazing. So just serve on a plate for all of your family. Wow, it smells so, so good. And as you can see, the cheese melts really well. Yum. Please enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Rena's Kitchenary. Follow my social media accounts, Facebook,